Today I'll show you a strategy that will allow you to make money in pure passive income. This is a very easy strategy that can be done even from those people who have never made money online before. If you're interested and want to make it work, then make sure to follow me step by step so you can set it up correctly. But just before we start, make sure that, if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Mia's World with notifications on, so you get notified whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to come over to this site here called Paidera.com. I guess most of you have never heard about this platform before, so let me explain really quick what it is about. Paidera is the site where you can make money online by completing various tasks like completing surveys, writing articles, and so on. As you can see here, turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience, using all-in-one solution provided by Paidera to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. Now, before we go on, I want to clarify something. We will not be making money by completing surveys or other tasks. We will use this site to make money in a completely different way, and this way will also pay us way more money. With that said, if you scroll down, you'll see that they provide unlimited tasks. We are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day, makes no limit to what you can make per day. So, Paidera isn't like other make money online websites where you complete a few surveys, play a few games, and you're out of things to do. Furthermore, if you come over to Trustpilot.com, you're going to see that they have a rating of 4.7 stars with more than 4,000 of reviews. It means that this is one of the best make money online sites today, and also a legit one as well, which is hugely important for us. Anyways, back on Paidera, down here you can see what specific tasks we are talking about that you can complete to make money. You can do sign-up tasks, complete surveys, upload videos, invite friends, write articles about them, and you have all of your earnings available in one place. So as you can see, they have quite a bit of different ways for you to make money, and you can also see that this website has nearly 1 million of members and has delivered 1.5 million payments, where some of those payments may contain up to hundreds of dollars, just like this one right here. So they have given away a lot of money. With all of that said, you can come in this site and read more about it, since I won't go over it anymore because I want to focus on what you actually have to do when you come on here in order to make money. So first of all you need to do is to create an account for absolutely free, and you'll do so by clicking on create an account in the upper right corner right here. After that, you'll need to enter your first name, last name, username, email address, put a password, confirm the password, and then click on sign up and create my account. Once you do all of this, what you need to do is to go over to your email account and open up a message from Paidera and click on the link that they have sent to you in order to confirm your email address. With that done, you'll be able to log into your account. And I've just logged into my account, and this is what you'll see when you do so as well. And by the way, you'll get paid 50 cents for just creating an account, which is very nice. On the left hand side here, you'll be able to see all of the things you can do to make money with this site, from submitting videos to completing surveys. But like I said before, we'll be not making money in this way. You can of course do so to maximize your earnings, but for today we'll be focusing on another feature. What it will be our main source of income is Paidera's referral system. Right here you can see your referral link, and check this out. You can get paid $3 per 1,000 clicks. Once again, it says clicks, not signs up or purchases, so people just need to click on your link, and this fact makes it much easier to make money with this website referring people. Now it's time for me to show you how you can drive traffic to your special referral link that you'll copy right here. And the first traffic source that you can use is this website right here called findforum.net. As the name suggests, on here you can find various forums related to different topics. If you click on categories here, you're going to see what types of forums you can find, and they include computers and internet, dieting and weight loss, bodybuilding, cooking, make money online, pets, travels, and so on and so forth. And by clicking on browse all categories, you'll be able to see all of the categories that they have to offer. And since we are promoting Paidera, which is make money online website, you need to click on categories and then select make money online. And it's going to take you over to this page where you're going to see a lot of forums that have literally thousands of members, and all of them combined possibly go up to 1 million and more. These forums that I've opened up has over 360,000 of members alone, and so you can see just how much potential this has. And the best part is that all of these people want to make money online, so we already know that they will be interested in clicking on our link and to learn more about Paidera. In addition, the amazing reviews that Paidera has that I showed you before will also motivate the people to try it out, because thanks to the reviews they'll see that this is a legitimate platform, and this is how you'll be able to maximize your earnings. Anyway, to access the forum, all you need to do is to open up any of these forums right here, and then you'll find the link to the forum, which will be located somewhere around here, and then just be a member of that forum. But once you do not start sharing your affiliate link immediately. You should first try talking to the people, provide some value, and then tell them about Paidera and send them your referral link. You'll also simply repeat this process for all the other forums that you're going to find on here, and you'll start getting clicks very fast from there. Another traffic source that I want to show you today that you can use is Instagram. What you can do is to create some make money online page on Instagram, just like this one right here, and leave your Paidera affiliate link in the bio, saying something like the best site to make money online. And if you're wondering how to get more followers, I have a solution for you. The best way to get followers is by paying someone to give you a shout out on this site called shoutcard.com. And yes, I know the fact that this does require investment from your side, and it is a huge downside, but there is also the upside. You can easily find people here with thousands of followers on Instagram willing to give you a shout out for as little as $10, which, let's face it, is not a lot of money. Moreover, if you pay someone to give you a shout out, your Instagram page will grow immensely, and that will help you make a lot of money passively. And if you don't have money to invest upfront, what you can do is to complete some of the tasks on Paidera, the other tasks that they offer, so you can make some money and then reinvest a part of that money over to shoutcard.com. In this fashion, guys, thanks to Shoutcard, you'll be able to build your own Instagram page, and that can make you money not only from promoting Paidera, but also giving shoutouts to other pages when your page gets bigger enough, and promoting some other offers as well. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you follow me till the end of this video and got every instruction right. And if you like this video and you want to see more, then give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World, with notifications on. Thank you for watching.